Hi, welcome back to my Tech Tutorials Everywhere channel. Today, I will show you how to create AI-generated videos using text-to-video AI tools. We will test next two different AI video generator tools. So, let's get started.
2. REEMIX Co-AI Video Generator. This AI tool is currently free to use, and you don't need to register to use their AI video generator. Now let's try generating a video of Elon Musk eating pizza. Simply type your prompt and click the Create button. Here is the result. 3. GENMO AI Video Generator. Our last tool is GENMO. GENMO works like Kaiber AI but with more features. This AI tool can create AI-generated images, 3D models, and videos. It is a paid tool, but it provides free daily credits. Before you can use their AI tool, you need to create a GENMO account using your Google or Discord account. Click Login to start creating your account. To begin creating our AI video, click the Create menu. Now, type your prompt, select your aspect ratio, and click Generate Image to start generating the first image frame for our AI video. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the image to continue the process, or click Generate to generate another image. In Step 2, you can customize your AI video by entering additional prompts, excluding objects, and adding captions. Set your desired video length and adjust the exploration value. Higher value means a more chaotic result. You can also customize the dynamism and smoothness values. Ensure that the seamless video loop option is activated for a looping video style. Once everything is set, click the Make Video button to start generating your AI video. Click the Download button to save your video. Here is the result. Now, let's try using our own image for the first frame. Click the Upload button and select your image. After that, customize your video settings and add prompts if needed. This AI tool will automatically create a prompt from your image. Amazing, right? Here is the result.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye!